Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Compass hood. First, find the hood release lever, typically on the driver's side, near the floorboard. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a click as the hood unlatches. Then, move to the front of your vehicle, ready for the next step. It's a simple process once you know where to look. Now, stand at the front of your Jeep Compass. Carefully reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, right above the grille. You'll feel a small lever or tab. This is the secondary safety latch. Depending on your model, you might push it to the side or pull it up to fully release the hood. With both latches released, gently lift the hood. It should open smoothly. Next, find the prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Take the rod and firmly insert its end into the small, designated hole or slot to keep the hood securely open while you work. When you're finished, remove the prop rod from its slot and clip it back into its storage position. Gently lower the hood until it's about 1 foot from closing. Then, let it drop the rest of the way, ensuring it latches securely with a satisfying thud. Always double-check that it's fully closed before driving. Also, check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.